with the geography of Afghanistan, let's see the neighboring nations. So the neighboring nations with Afghanistan are Pakistan, Iran, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, we have China, and then a little region of the Xinjiang province with China, and a region of 106 kilometers with as a part of the Durand line with India. And this Durand line basically divides the region of Afghanistan and Pakistan through the border area. In the region of Afghanistan, the region is known as the Wakhan corridor. Now if we dive deeper into the same map, we would see that this region between Afghanistan and Pakistan is the region where we have mainly the Pashtuns. So it divides the Gilgit-Balochistan versus the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa region in Afghanistan. Now the Afghanistan region has 34 provinces. Some of the major towns that we locate here in Afghanistan are the first one, which is Kabul. Recently we have the Kabul river that goes through this region. So if we go through this map, we would have this Kabul river draining through the region, and this Kabul river drains through the region. The Kabul is one of the major cities and definitely the capital center for Afghanistan. Coming on next, we have another important region, which is Ghazni, from where we had the Mahmud of Ghazni. We have the region of Gaur, then Herat, again an important region. So Herat had been always disputed, and recently Herat, the invasion by Taliban has been witnessed. Similarly, another important region that we notice is the Lashkar Gah. Then the next region is the Kandahar. Now Kandahar is the region which is part of the Helmand. So we have the Helmand river which flows through it. Now Helmand is again a very important region that we witness in this area. The whole idea here is that this Helmand river is originating from the Baba mountains. Now the region where we have the Baba mountain, we have the origin for the Helmand river. It is also known as the Helmand. So this whole area which is closer to Pakistan is known as Helmand. Now the most important thing is this Helmand is one of the longest river which entirely flows within the region of Afghanistan, nearly 1400 kilometers long river, and one of the major tributaries of Helmand is the Arghab. So that is one of the major tributaries of Helmand river. Kabul river, another important river that we have talked about. Another important river running from the north is the Amur Darya and the Sar Darya. So Amur Darya and the Sar Darya are two important rivers that enter into Afghanistan. Now Amur Darya is a very long river, part of around 2600 kilometers long river. Nearly 965 kilometer long river follow the path of Afghanistan and the border areas. And the tributary, which is Khunds, is one of the major tributaries for Amur Darya. So Amur Darya, Sar Darya, again two important rivers in the region from Turkmenistan. Amur Darya entering into Afghanistan. Now Afghanistan is known for its unique vegetation which is present. Also, we have seen lots and lots of valleys and lakes in the region of Afghanistan. So some of the important region is Khunds. Then we also have the highest peak, which is known as Naushak. So Naushak is the highest peak which is located very close to the China border, and it is the part of the highest westernmost part of the Hindu Kush. Then we have the Spingher, which is the Safed Khosh, another important mountain range in the southern parts of the Afghanistan, which is located here. So Safed Khosh is another important part. Then we have the Pamir Plateaus, again an important region in the mountainous belt, we can say. So Pamir North is again important region. Besides that, the two important rivers, the Amur Darya and the Sar Darya, we have already explained. Now coming on to some of the important vegetations in this region. Now if we focus on the vegetations in this region, we see that Afghanistan is mainly known for its orchids, and then we also have lots and lots of pine, almond, then there is walnut, fig, shah jeera, raw hing, which is again seeing asphodita. Then we also have another important vegetations as fig. Then apricots mainly are seen in this region. Two important things are seen. One is rue, which is used for the treatment of rheumatitis, rheumatoid arthritis, and the next is wormwood. Wormwood is used for dyspepsia and also used for fever. Then rue is also used for neuralgic pains. So those are some of the herbal medicines which are obtained from this region. Also, gooseberry, raisins, currants are some of the important crops which are grown in this region. Now, Afghanistan is one of the major exporters of these all dry fruits to India, and India in turn sends exports sugar predominantly to Afghanistan. So that's about the major developments and the major things that we have discussed in Afghanistan. We would be focusing on more details in Afghanistan in the upcoming chapters. So stay tuned and stay subscribed for updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.